how to exit Slack group. Need to leave a Slack group. Here's how to exit a channel or an entire workspace. So if you just want to leave channel, so go ahead and open the channel and then click on the channel name. And then from here, go ahead and select leave channel. You'll no longer see messages from that group. Now, to exit an entire workspace, you need to go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom left and then select sign out of this specific group. Remember, leaving a channel does not remove you from workspace. The activation is the only way to fully exit. Admins can also remove members if needed, and that is how to exit Slack group.